Hi guys, today I'm going to be unboxing my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera. I got it at Sam's Club and it retailed at $498. It's 128 gig, and this is not the creator's combo, it's just the regular one. Let's get into it. I already took out some parts from it and I remembered, oh, I have to do an unboxing, but nevertheless, let's just go right into it. So, okay, we have this. Give me this part, and we have the camera itself. We have a battery handle, and this is the memory card, the SD card, and yeah, this is the holder. We have a short sized mount. I don't know what this is, but oh, I see. Then we have a charger, like a charging cable, and something inside. Okay, let's go from here and pull it out. Oh, this is like the rope for holding it together, I guess. Yeah. So let's see what's in here. Yeah, so this, it has a holder. Interesting. So this is the camera. It's so tiny, like you can see almost like my entire hand, like, you know, it's so tiny, but when I see it online, it's like, looks like it's quite, you know, a size. But so I have this, and then I insert yeah, this is they're like two different sizes of battery handles. This is the shorter size, and then this is a bit longer size. So I think I'll go with this one. So there are two battery handles. See, so let's go with this one. And then you take it, you insert it here and here. And you know, one thing I found out about, so if you want to take this out, you don't pull it, just click on this button right here and pull. When you click on this button, then you can pull. Easy. But now let me show you. This is what it looks like. Oh my gosh. Capturing my house. Mini battery. Oh my god, my battery is low. So I have to put the SD card in it. Okay, see the way it's capturing my whole house. This is beautiful. And then, you know, one thing, you can actually slide it this way. Then you see. And then one thing is you can take it over. See, oh my gosh, and then rotates. And then you take it back like this. That's a timer. Oh, it just went off. Yeah, I need to charge it, but that is all about the camera. And I'm gonna be making a lot of videos with this because I really love the 4K quality. And yeah, I'll keep you all posted. Bye.